In today's video, I'll show you how to add text over an image on your home page using Pagefly. This is a simple setup that helps your site look more professional and engaging as soon as visitors land on it. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account so you can access your store settings and apps. Once logged in, open the Pagefly editor for your homepage. Inside the editor, look to the left menu and click on Elements. From there, go to the Layout section and drag a blank section or a one-column layout onto your page. After adding the section, click on it to open its settings. In the right side panel, go to the Styling tab and select the option to add a background image. Upload or choose the image you want and adjust the position and size so it fits your design properly. Now return to the Elements panel and add text elements such as a heading, paragraph, or button. Drag them directly into the section with the background image. Enter your text and adjust the font, color, and size so it stands out clearly against the image. To improve spacing, go back to the Styling tab and adjust the padding. This helps position your text neatly and keeps the layout clean and readable. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save and publish your page. That's it. You've successfully added text over an image on your homepage using Pagefly, creating a strong and visually appealing first impression. Thanks for watching and happy designing.